Alright, here we come to the elevator at the Mardi Gras Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada, and look what we got. A vintage US elevator from I think 1971 or 1972. John Elevator has recorded this. Look how vandalized that call button is. That's because it's in a motel. My gosh, the thing is cracked. And here's the elevator. Very, very vintage. Oh, they redid the cabs. They used to have the mirror in them. All right, let's go to 3. He's got door disease. It's got 1. A vintage US elevator. Look how small this is. Very tiny. There are your fixtures. ADA phone. There it goes. How slow that door is. What the heck? Oh my gosh! Man, that thing's got door disease. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.